Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share something really exciting. How you can create 100% free AI videos step by step. First, let me make one thing clear. According to YouTube's latest monetization policy, your channel will only be approved if your content is completely original. If you just copy-paste, re-upload or download someone else's AI videos, your channel will never get monetized. But if your work is unique and original, then yes, YouTube will approve it. That's exactly why in today's video, I'll guide you on how to make your own AI videos without spending a single dollar. Make sure to watch this video until the very end, because every step is important. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because I regularly share powerful methods to grow your channel. Step 1. Write a unique story with ChatGPT. Creating original content is the key to monetization. Open ChatGPT. The free version works. Paste a custom prompt describing your theme. For example, write a cinematic story about a warrior called Scorpion King who saves a futuristic city from AI invaders. Decide the word count. 701,000 words for a longer video. 250-300 words for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Want more intensity? Add. Include emotional tension, plot twists, and a heroic ending. Pro tip. Save your story in Google Docs or a text file. You'll need it for later steps. Step 2. Break the story into scenes next. Split your story into 6-10 main scenes based on plot points. Introduction conflict begins. Hero rises battle sequence. Then ask ChatGPT to generate one detailed image prompt per scene. A fierce warrior named Scorpion King stands on a burning rooftop, holding a glowing sword, while flying robots swarm around him. Neon city lights glow in the background. Cinematic lighting, dramatic composition. Step 3. Generate AI images. Now, turn those prompts into visuals. Use sites like picleman.com, leonardo.ai mage.space, but we use Picleman Bing. Image Creator set the resolution to 1920 x 1080, 16:9 for YouTube. Paste each prompt, generate the image, and download in HD. Name them clearly. Scene 1.jpg, scene 2.jpg, etc. Bonus tip. Keep characters consistent by reusing keywords like Scorpion King, Muscular Warrior, Brown Armor in every prompt. Step 4. Generate AI voiceovers, TTS. Every film needs narration. For free AI voiceovers, try OpenAI TTS 11 Labs, Play.ht. We use OpenTTs. Choose a natural voice. For example, Tom, deep heroic male voice. Paste your script, generate audio, and download. Do this for each scene. OpenTTS is an open source framework that lets you run multiple TTS, text-to-speech engines, under one unified API. It supports many voices and languages by connecting to popular projects like Festival, Mary TTS, Mimic 3, Piper, Koki TTS, and more. You can install it on your own server or local computer and generate natural-sounding speech from text. Developers often use it for AI projects, voice assistants, audiobooks, and accessibility tools. If one platform has limits, use multiple services. Step 5. Turn images and voice into animated scenes. Now that your images and voiceovers are ready, it's time to bring them to life. This step changes your project from a simple slideshow into a moving animated video. Here are the best free tools you can use. 1. Digital.ai Beginner Friendly, 300 free credits. Simple interface, perfect if you're just starting. How it works. Upload your scene image. Paste the text or short storyline that matches the scene. Add your voiceover, optional but makes it professional. Adjust zoom, motion, and transition effects. Generate and download your animated video. Digital.ai is one of the easiest tools for turning your images into animated scenes. You simply upload your image and paste in the text or dialogue that fits. If you have a voiceover, you can add it for extra impact. The tool also lets you adjust zoom, motion, and transitions to make your video dynamic. 2.pixversa.ai, smooth and fast, 90 free credits. Great for cinematic and stylish effects. How it works: upload your image. Paste a short dialogue or description. Choose a style: cinematic, futuristic, or fantasy. Generate and download your scene. Pixverse.ai is a powerful AI tool that transforms text or images into high-quality videos within seconds. You can upload a picture or just type a prompt, and the AI will animate it smoothly. It supports multiple styles, including cinematic, anime, and realistic. Tip: best for action scenes with explosions, lights, or futuristic effects. Which one to use? Diggin.ai, best for beginners. Pixvid.ai, best for fast cinematic animations. You don't have to stick to one platform, mix them if you like. For example, use Pixvid for your action scenes and Diggin for calmer storytelling. By the end of Step 5, you'll have several short animated clips, each matching your story and voiceover. In the next step, we'll combine these into a full movie. Step 6. Assemble your film with CapCut. Now, bring it all together. Open CapCut, desktop or mobile. Import your video clips and voiceovers. Arrange them in timeline order. Add transitions, background music, royalty-free, subtitles or text overlays. Zoom slightly to remove watermarks if needed. Preview and export in 1080p or 4K. Step 7. Upload and monetize on YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio and upload your film. Create a custom thumbnail. You can use a frame from your video. Add an SAO-friendly title, like The Rise of Scorpion King Vertical Bar, Full AI Film Vertical Bar, Cinematic Story 2025. In the description, include keywords like AI film, cinematic, original story, futuristic battle. Add tags: AI, movie, short film, story animation, 2025 enable monetization, and submit for review. And that's it. You've just created a complete monetizable AI-generated film. From story to visuals to editing, all for free. Be original. Combine story, images, voice, and animation. Keep improving your prompts and editing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool is your favorite. In the next video, I'll show you how to create AI animated characters with lip syncing. Also 100% free. Stay tuned.